beautiful island of Tobago, celebrating my 1-year wedding anniversary. For those of you who followed from the beginning, you would have remembered my proposal video. Well, we're now 1 year into marriage and we're here celebrating. I'm staying at the Blue Waters Inn, situated just below, and we're on a dirt road to the left of the hotel that goes to, I think, 2 bays that I've never been to in my life. So we're gonna start there and then we're gonna take a ride around the island and check out all the top spots. We're gonna try the clear kayaking and a couple other things that we wanna see right through the rainforest. It should be an epic day and I'm glad to have you on the journey. Remember to like and subscribe. I noticed that a lot of you unsubscribe but you all view the videos, so please subscribe to the channel and let's go on an adventure. Behind me you can see Little Tobago, or Bird of Paradise Island. It was a cotton plantation way back in the 1800s and now it's preserved as a bird sanctuary. So a lot of bird watchers come here just to visit that island to get their thrill of pics and scenery and so forth. Really beautiful place. Behind me is Blue Waters Inn entrance, and you can see that it's starwood trees to the left of it. It's a dirt road that leads all the way to 2 bays. One, I can't remember the name of the first bay, but the second bay that we stopped by with the drone footage and so forth, that's Starwood Bay. So next time you visit Tobago, definitely come down to Speyside and go check it out. Water wheels were used on those estates which were located near a river. The water wheel was used to tap the energy of running water to provide energy for the processing of sugar on the estate. The wheel has a number of blades which drive the operation. Cane was fed through rollers that were powered by the wheel to crush canes and extract the juice, which was fed to the boilers. So this was part of the sugar making process way back in the 1800s. So this is the entrance to Pigeon Point. Just $20 per person to come in, which is about $3 US. Pretty good. Grabbed some lunch on Pigeon Point Beach and now we heading back out to ride the other half of the island. Let's go. Alright. Yo, yo.
Yeah!
How you going? How you going?
Action!
Radical Sports.
Demand.
So check out Radical Sports in Tobago for your one-stop water sport destination. They have pretty much everything you could think about, from kiteboarding to surfing, everything. You could even visit the island pool. So we are on Bloody Bay, the final stop for the day. We're gonna take a dip here. Doesn't really have much of a crowd on the beach. Bloody Bay is about a kilometer away from Palatuve. Really nice spot. The river meets the ocean at this bay. So you enjoyed it?
Yeah, it was fun.
We did a lot of riding today, basically the perimeter of the entire island. So we have one more thing to do. We want to catch the sunset at Flagstaff and then probably go back to the hotel and enjoy some drinks and dinner and stuff. So yeah. Alright, off to the drone shots. So we made it to Flagstaff, back right now, for a little bit of the sunset. Some big antennas up here. Time to head home. We enjoyed our anniversary riding around the beautiful island of Tobago. It was an unforgettable adventure. We woke up the next morning to enjoy some of the hotel amenities before taking you all back up to Flagstaff for that spectacular view that you missed. We have a few hours before catching the ferry back to Trinidad, so we decided to visit Pigeon Point one more time, simply because it's such a beautiful location. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to like and subscribe for many more adventures like this. Thanks for viewing, guys, and see you all next week.